Hello, beauties. You are welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be sharing with you on how to make this very delicious Chinese chicken stir fry. This is better than takeout, and you can pair it with your white rice, your pasta. This is so delicious. So, if you're interested in this recipe, make sure to watch this video to the end because you are going to really enjoy this. And here are some of the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. We'll be using some sweet bell peppers. We'll need some carrots, and you also be needing some spring onions for these. I'll be using our sauces as well. We have our dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and the rest. So first of all, now we have to marinate our chicken. Just add in a teaspoon of Sazon everything mix, Cajun spice, white pepper, all-purpose mix, and add in your cooking wine. Stir everything all together thoroughly. Once everything is well mixed like this, go ahead now to add in the chicken. And this is the chicken strips I'm using. Just make sure to use a boneless chicken. For this one, I cut them myself. Just make sure to mix this thoroughly so that the spices, the ingredients, everything have to coat well with the chicken. And we are going to leave this for 2 hours because you want the ingredients to penetrate well. While we are doing this, you can just go ahead now to prepare the sauce for this recipe. I'll be putting this in the fridge for the 2 hours because I want it to remain fresh when we want to use it. And now for the sauce, now we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of our dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil into this jug. Trust me, guys, this will be the best Chinese chicken stir fry you are going to love. Adding about 2 tablespoons of cooking wine to this, add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of corn flour mixture. And this is about 1/4 cup of water to mix all this together. So make sure to mix this so that the lumps in this corn flour can dissolve properly. We will set this aside now and proceed to prepare the chicken. So into my pan, I'll add in about 2 tablespoons of butter. Add in the well marinated chicken into this butter. You're going to allow this to fry, and while that is frying, just make sure to stir it often because you want it to cook evenly. Some minutes later, this is what the chicken should look like. See, it's almost ready. So what you are going to do is just stir it one more time, and we are going to be taking this off fire. For this recipe, just make sure to use the soft part of the chicken so that you can get the same result. And you can also use your beef for this also. So now into the same pan, we are going to be adding in little oil to this, adding some of our garlic, and I'm just going to allow this to fry so that the aroma can come out. Next we'll be adding is our cut carrots now. Just adding your carrot and proceed to stir this. Just make sure to do this on a high heat because you are stir frying it. For that extra heat, just add in some hot chilies to this and stir this all together. Don't keep out on this hot pepper for you to enjoy this sauce, especially if you are in Nigerian. If you want to enjoy the sauce, just add your pepper. You can use your scotch bonnet pepper for this. So next now we'll be adding our sweet bell peppers. I've added in some of our yellow bell pepper, the red and the mixed peppers. I'm just going to add in everything at this point, and I'm just going to stir this all together. So next now I'll be adding in some of my cut red onions. If you love onions, just include that and stir this all together. After about 5 minutes now, we are going to introduce back our chicken that we are already fried. Just add the chicken back into the veggies and stir it so that everything can just mix thoroughly. They should combine well. Remember the sauce we first prepared. So right now, just pour these into this. And if you feel that this is very thick, you can adjust by adding in little water. So I'm just going to stir the sauce into this and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. You want this to come together. As you can see, this is very thick, so I'm just going to be adding in little water to loosen up this sauce. Just know that this is totally optional and is up to you. This is the consistency that we have now, and this is how I love the sauce. So right now, I'm just going to allow all this to combine well. The sauce is almost ready, and I like to finish this up by adding in the spring onions into this. At this point, you can just turn off your heat. Just tell me, don't you like what you see? And the aroma from this is so good. You can notice that we didn't add salt because there was no need for salt. But you can add to your taste at the end of the cooking because the sauces we use they contain salt. So right now, I'll be serving these with white rice. You can as well pair this with your pasta or anything. This particular sauce does not discriminate. It goes with everything. Yes, you heard me well. It goes with everything. So lovelies, if you have enjoyed this recipe to this point, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yes, just give me a thumbs up. Just tell me well done in the comment section. And if you try out this recipe, please come back and tell me if you enjoy it. Thank you guys for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for sticking to this channel. Thank you for helping me grow. Thank you guys, honestly. I'll see you next time. Bye.